Number 15. The ZET Electric Cargo Quadricycle is an innovative urban mobility solution designed to combine the practicality of a cargo vehicle with the efficiency of an electric bike platform. Built for last-mile delivery and eco-friendly transportation, this quadricycle features a sturdy four-wheel design that provides exceptional balance and stability, even when carrying heavy loads. Its electric assist drivetrain allows riders to transport goods with minimal effort while maintaining impressive energy efficiency, making it ideal for crowded city environments and short-distance logistics. The vehicle typically includes a spacious cargo compartment capable of handling packages, groceries, or commercial deliveries. Number 14. The BioHybrid Cargo is a cutting-edge cargo bike designed to merge eco-friendly transport with practical utility, offering an ideal solution for urban deliveries and sustainable commuting. Featuring a robust frame and reinforced cargo platform, it is capable of carrying substantial loads while maintaining exceptional stability and balance, even on uneven city streets. Its pedal-assist electric drivetrain enhances efficiency, allowing riders to transport heavy goods with ease while conserving energy and reducing physical strain. The BioHybrid Cargo emphasizes rider comfort through ergonomic seating, adjustable handlebars, and responsive braking systems, ensuring safety and control during daily operations. Many models include modular cargo compartments that can be customized for parcels, groceries. Number 13. The Sitcar is a versatile and robust cargo bike engineered to meet the demands of modern urban transportation and delivery services. With a strong and durable frame, it provides excellent stability and balance, allowing riders to carry substantial loads safely across city streets and tight spaces. Its electric assist system offers smooth and efficient pedal support, reducing effort while enhancing speed and maneuverability, making it ideal for last-mile deliveries and daily logistics. The Sitcar is designed with rider comfort in mind, featuring ergonomic seating, intuitive handlebar controls, and responsive braking to ensure safety during long rides. Its spacious cargo area can accommodate a variety of goods, from groceries to commercial packages, while modular design options allow customization based on specific transport needs. Equipped with advanced Number 12. The EVE Cargo Bike is a high-performance cargo bike designed to combine efficiency, durability, and eco-friendly transportation for urban environments. Built with a sturdy frame and reinforced chassis, it offers excellent stability and balance, even when loaded with heavy parcels or commercial goods. Its powerful electric assist drivetrain ensures effortless pedaling, allowing riders to cover longer distances and navigate steep inclines with minimal effort while maintaining speed and control. The EVE Cargo Bike emphasizes rider comfort and safety through ergonomic seating, adjustable handlebars, and responsive braking systems, making it suitable for long hours of daily operation. Its spacious cargo compartment is versatile, accommodating various types of loads, and some models offer modular customization for different business or delivery needs. Equipped with advanced battery technology. Number 11. The ONO Cargo Bike is a modern and versatile cargo bike designed to meet the demands of urban transportation and sustainable delivery solutions. Built with a robust frame and reinforced cargo platform, it provides exceptional stability and balance, even when carrying heavy loads, ensuring both safety and reliability. Its electric assist system delivers smooth and efficient pedal support, reducing rider effort while enhancing speed and maneuverability, making it perfect for last-mile deliveries and everyday logistics. The ONO Cargo Bike prioritizes rider comfort with ergonomic seating, intuitive handlebar controls, and responsive braking, allowing for longer rides with minimal strain. Its spacious cargo area can accommodate a wide range of goods, from groceries to commercial parcels, and modular configurations offer adaptability for various transport needs. Number 10. The Cab is a sleek and practical cargo bike engineered for efficient urban transport and eco-friendly delivery operations. Featuring a strong and durable frame, it provides remarkable stability and balance even when handling heavy loads, ensuring safe and reliable rides in city environments. Its electric assist drivetrain enhances pedaling power, allowing riders to transport goods with ease while maintaining speed and maneuverability through busy streets and tight lanes. The Cab focuses on rider comfort with ergonomic seating, intuitive handlebar controls, and responsive braking systems, making long hours of delivery or commuting effortless. Its spacious cargo area. Number 9. The VLOOV is a stylish and highly functional cargo bike designed to deliver a perfect balance of performance, versatility, and sustainability for urban transportation. Built with a sturdy frame and reinforced cargo platform, it offers excellent stability and control even when fully loaded, making it ideal for deliveries, commuting, or running errands in busy city environments. Its electric assist drivetrain provides effortless pedaling and smooth acceleration, allowing riders to navigate steep hills, congested streets, and long routes with minimal effort. The VLOOV emphasizes rider comfort through ergonomic seating, adjustable handlebars, and responsive braking systems, ensuring safety and ease during extended rides. Its spacious and adaptable cargo area can carry everything from groceries and parcels to commercial goods, with modular designs available to. Number 8. The ZET is a modern and practical cargo bike designed to redefine urban mobility with efficiency, reliability, and sustainability. Constructed with a durable frame and reinforced cargo platform, it delivers exceptional stability and balance, even when fully loaded with heavy goods, making it ideal for deliveries, errands, or daily commuting. Its electric assist drivetrain provides smooth and effortless pedaling, allowing riders to tackle longer distances, steep inclines, and busy city streets with ease while maintaining control and comfort. The ZET emphasizes rider convenience with ergonomic seating, adjustable handlebars, and responsive braking systems, ensuring safe and comfortable rides throughout the day. Its spacious cargo compartment is versatile, capable of carrying parcels, groceries, or commercial goods, and modular configurations allow for tailoring. Number 7. The Ridle is a cutting-edge cargo bike engineered to deliver unmatched efficiency, reliability, and sustainability for urban transport and commercial deliveries. Featuring a robust frame and reinforced cargo platform, it provides excellent stability and balance, even when carrying heavy or bulky loads, ensuring safe and smooth rides in busy city environments. Its powerful electric assist drivetrain allows riders to pedal effortlessly, conquer steep inclines, and maintain consistent speed while navigating traffic, making it perfect for last-mile logistics and daily errands. The Ridle prioritizes rider comfort and control with ergonomic seating, adjustable handlebars, and responsive braking systems, making long operational hours more manageable. Its spacious and versatile cargo area accommodates a wide range of goods, from parcels and groceries to commercial supplies, with modular options for customized transport solutions. Number 6. The Vowig is a versatile and modern cargo bike designed to deliver practical, efficient, and sustainable transportation in urban environments. Built with a strong and durable frame, it offers outstanding stability and balance even when carrying heavy or bulky loads, making it ideal for deliveries, errands, and daily commuting. Its electric assist drivetrain ensures smooth, effortless pedaling, allowing riders to navigate busy streets, steep inclines, and long distances with ease while maintaining control and efficiency. The Vowag prioritizes rider comfort with ergonomic seating, adjustable handlebars, and responsive braking systems, ensuring safe and comfortable rides throughout the day. Its spacious cargo area is highly adaptable, capable of carrying parcels, groceries, or commercial goods, with modular options for customizing transport solutions to specific needs. Equipped with advanced Number 5. The TMQ Cargo Quad is a robust and innovative cargo quad designed to combine the practicality of a traditional cargo vehicle with the efficiency and eco-friendliness of an electric bike platform. Its sturdy four-wheel design provides exceptional stability and balance, allowing it to handle heavy loads safely across urban streets, uneven terrain, or crowded delivery routes. Equipped with a powerful electric assist drivetrain, the TMQ Cargo Quad ensures effortless pedaling, smooth acceleration, and reliable performance, making it ideal for last-mile logistics, commercial deliveries, and urban commuting. Rider comfort is prioritized through ergonomic seating, intuitive handlebar controls, and responsive braking systems, allowing for long hours of operation without fatigue. The spacious cargo compartment is versatile, accommodating a wide variety of goods, while modular design options enable customization for specific business or. Number 4. The Honda Fastport E-Quad is a high-performance cargo quad engineered by Honda to deliver exceptional efficiency, durability, and versatility for urban and commercial transport. Its sturdy four-wheel chassis provides remarkable stability and balance, ensuring safe handling even when carrying heavy or bulky loads across crowded streets or uneven terrain. Powered by an advanced electric assist drivetrain, the Fastport E-Quad offers smooth acceleration and effortless pedaling, allowing riders to transport goods quickly while reducing physical strain and energy consumption. Designed with rider comfort and control in mind, it features ergonomic seating, intuitive handlebar controls, and responsive braking systems, making long operational hours both safe and manageable. The spacious cargo platform is versatile enough to accommodate parcels, commercial supplies, or groceries, with modular configurations available to meet specific delivery. Number 3. The Vowag Cargo M is a modern and versatile cargo bike engineered to deliver reliable, efficient, and eco-friendly transportation for urban environments. Featuring a robust frame and reinforced cargo platform, it offers outstanding stability and balance, allowing riders to carry heavy or bulky loads with confidence and safety. Its electric assist drivetrain ensures smooth and effortless pedaling, enabling riders to navigate steep inclines, busy streets, and longer routes without fatigue while maintaining speed and control. The Vowag Cargo M prioritizes rider comfort with ergonomic seating, adjustable handlebars, and responsive braking systems, making daily deliveries or errands manageable and safe. Its spacious cargo area is highly adaptable, capable of transporting parcels, groceries, or commercial goods, with modular options to tailor the bike to specific needs. Number 2. The Urban Aerot Tender 1500 is a premium cargo bike engineered to combine outstanding performance, practicality, and sustainability for busy urban lifestyles and commercial delivery needs. Built with a strong and lightweight frame, it delivers impressive stability and control even when carrying heavy or bulky loads, making it ideal for family transport, parcel delivery, or daily errands. Its powerful electric assist system provides smooth and responsive pedal support, allowing riders to conquer hills, navigate city traffic, and travel longer distances with ease and minimal physical effort. The Tender 1500's design prioritizes both rider and cargo comfort, featuring ergonomic seating, intuitive controls, and reliable braking for safe and comfortable journeys. Its generous cargo area is thoughtfully designed to accommodate larger loads securely, offering flexible space that adapts to a variety of transport needs. Number 1. The ZET Electric Quadricycle is a cutting-edge cargo vehicle that blends the practicality of a compact quadricycle with the efficiency and sustainability of electric propulsion. Designed to carry heavier loads than traditional cargo bikes, it features a sturdy four-wheel structure that delivers exceptional stability and balance, making it ideal for urban logistics, deliveries, and commercial usage where reliability matters most. Its electric drive system provides smooth, responsive acceleration and effortless handling, allowing riders to transport goods with ease across city streets and through congested areas. The ZET Electric Quadricycle emphasizes comfort and user-friendly operation, with ergonomic seating, intuitive controls, and effective braking systems that keep every trip controlled and safe. Its spacious cargo area accommodates a variety of items, from large parcels to bulkier supplies, while the robust frame ensures durability even under